Sexual assault and rape cases are very sensitive cases. They have a big criminal component to them, but they also could have a civil component to them. At my office, when it comes to sexual assault and rape cases, we handle the civil component of the case. That's the part of the case where we try to get the victim compensated monetarily for the harm they've suffered. A person who is sexually assaulted or raped should immediately report it to the police, to the authorities. It's important that they get the help that they need and that we get the criminal person off the street. The victim should also contact an attorney that can help them understand how they can be involved in the criminal prosecution of the assailant and also what remedies they may have in a civil court to receive just compensation for the harm that they've suffered. These type of cases sometimes are difficult to prove. That's why it's so important that the victim immediately tell the authorities and immediately notify an attorney that can assist them with gathering all the evidence to prove the case. Though the burden in the criminal courthouse is a little bit higher for the prosecutor to get a conviction on a rape or a sexual assault, in the civil courthouse, there's a lower standard that can allow us to try to seek compensation for the person that was injured. Victims of sexual assault and rape hire me because I take a personal interest in these type of cases. And given my history of representing other women that have been in this position, they know that I fight to the end to try to get them compensated. What makes our firm different when it comes to these type of cases is that our experience with handling them has taught us the importance and the sensitivity of how to deal with clients that have been victims of sexual assault and rape. If someone is a victim of sexual assault or rape, they shouldn't feel alone. They should call the authorities immediately to report it, and they can call our office if they want a free consultation and just to understand what their rights are. During the initial consultation of cases for sexual assault or rape, we take the time to sit with the client, understand what occurred, and we're very sensitive to their mental state coming from such a traumatic incident. I personally handle all the sexual assault and rape cases that come to my firm because I understand the sensitive nature of what occurred.